Let's make breakfast using eggs, sweet potato, and avocado. Here's what you'll need. Begin by peeling your sweet potato. When you have finished peeling your sweet potato, cut it into 1-inch rounds. The pieces should look like this. Let's begin to cook. Turn your burner on medium-high heat and drizzle with olive oil. Place the potatoes on and season with garlic, salt, and pepper. Allow to cook for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. While the potatoes cook on the first side, prepare your eggs. I'll season mine with salt and pepper and then scramble them. After 1 to 2 minutes, your potatoes should be ready to flip. This is the time when you should start your eggs. When your eggs and potatoes are ready, it's time to put it all together. Prepare your avocado by slicing around the pit lengthwise and sectioning off the pieces you would like. Scoop out with a spoon or fork and mash. Complete your plate by placing in your eggs and potatoes. And finally, enjoy your results.